What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 24th of June. We're going to take a look here at Aerodrome Finance this morning. So it's been a while, guys, trying to get back on the videos here on a regular basis. So far, this is day number 2, keeping it up here. Taking a look here, Aerodrome Finance, ticker symbol AERO. This is the US dollar pair, and this is from Coinbase, the price data. So getting some nice moves here from yesterday afternoon, as we got some ceasefire news in the headlines there, and markets are, the futures markets are moving higher. We have cryptocurrencies moving higher as well, crypto futures. So we're taking a look here at Aero. Let's take a step back in time just a bit here and see what took place in the past and kind of what we're looking for moving forward here, at least for the short term. And get an Aero tool over here. So after we've had this double top here for Aero, this thing went on a very steady downtrend, and then it really ramped up towards the bottom here. We consolidated and then basically went vertical to the downside, V bottom, and it has been rallying big time to the upside. So just to share a price level here, so we had a target for a head and shoulders. Right, the head and shoulders was up in here of 25 cents. Excuse me. We didn't know when or if that would take place, but it was a pattern, and we spoke about it in those videos back in, I guess it would have been in January timeframe, and people were, no way. Well, the bottom came in here at 28, so that's pretty darn close. Hey, I'm glad it stopped at 28 and didn't get down to 25. What an opportunity there. Basically across the board, as all markets were making bottoms, and some have moved much higher off their bottoms than others. Aerodrome being one of those, 28 cents. Now we're back up here to, looks like we're trading at 82.5 at the moment. You'll see this a lot, guys, when markets basically capitulate. They will usually speed up towards the bottom of that move. And that's what we saw here. They call it the bathtub analogy. When you're draining a bathtub, the water seems to go, let me see if I can draw this for you. The water seems to go kind of slow towards the beginning. You're kind of draining the bathtub, and it kind of starts to go slow. And then as you get towards the drain and you watch it, it kind of seems to speed up. Well, they refer to that as the bathtub analogy for the market. When the markets sell off and the velocity picks up big time towards the bottom, and that usually marks a bottom. And this is a very, very good scenario. We've had that slow and steady downtrend, consolidate, boom, ramps up, drains the bathtub. Nothing else to do now besides what? Fill the bathtub back up, and that's what's taking place here. Nice stair-stepping pattern to the upside. The Aerodrome market is finding some resistance here around the 82 to 84 level. These are some older price levels I had on the chart as some support back in here. Acted as a little bit of resistance, still kind of playing with the market here. But we have some new levels above the market that we would look for the price to get to once we take out our highs over here on the 19th of June. That high is 96. Our first target that we want to look for is 98,599, 98,599. Next target, 1096, 1096. So these were updated yesterday, the 23rd of June, so Monday. So first target, guys, again, we want to take out the 19th high of June, and then we want to get up to we want to touch, if not get close, to 98, and then maybe we consolidate, and then it's 109. Let's see what that looks like here from a percent. So that's about a 19% move to our target number 1, and about a 32% move up there to our target number 2. So that's what we are looking for, guys, here. We want to see Aerodrome break out, make a new recent high. We want to get up there to that 19% move around 98 cents. And then ultimately next target about 34% up there at $1.09. So this thing could be finding itself back above $1 very, very soon. These markets consolidate. Let's draw this here on the chart for you. These markets, I mean, this is very nice to see. Stair stepping to the upside. Slow and steady. Big, big, powerful move to the in the opposite direction. You know, an equal and opposite reaction is what we're seeing take place on this swing to the upside. So let's see. Assuming markets continue to trend higher, we're having markets break out right now. We should easily be up 19 to 32 to 34% here for our next targets for Aerodrome. Assuming that takes place, we will have more targets up in this area above our $1.09. We have many targets in place here for Aerodrome, but it's one step at a time. All right, guys, if we head over to Bitcoin real quick, let's see if we can find Bitcoin on here. BTC. Bitcoin, very large move yesterday. We put in a new low, looks like 2 days ago. We found support at 106.49. We're just above 104.622. We have some targets here for Bitcoin into new highs, 116,130. So we'll see if this thing is going to spring higher and take us right towards that 116. Not too long ago, we were down here at 73.74. Guys, thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts on Aerodrome. Anything else you want to share down in the comments, appreciate it. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and join us here, and we'll be back. Be careful out there, guys. Take care.